And that neatly brings us to the big question. So, Rob, why is my SRE broken?
Ones that I've encountered the most is, we touched on it before, but engineering culture is a big part of it. So empowering engineers to have that freedom, I think, is a big one. And the psychological safety, being able to fail and learn from those failures and not have the blame game happening. If there's an incident, if there's a problem, fingers shouldn't be being pointed. All we do, we get in a room together, we work together, we do the root cause analysis, we find out what went wrong in a totally blameless way, and then we work with the relevant service team or whoever it might be to fix that incident so it doesn't reoccur again. If your DevOps is fundamentally broken, then quite often when you're trying to implement SRE, it doesn't work, or it works, it doesn't work very well. And so one of the biggest problems I have seen is when the fundamental principles of DevOps aren't being adhered to properly, it makes SRE incredibly difficult to implement. And getting DevOps right is really to be able to do SRE. And then the final thing is leadership buy-in. So as we touched on before, in order for SRE to really work, we need to be operating under the assumption that things will fail.